If you dey Ajegule, you dey like to cook, you must see neighbors wey wan chop. Young man, bachelor, first day wey pack enter, we dey our own o, we don dey perceive egusi, dey come outside. Obinna, he say, yeah. You dey cook soup? Yeah. Bachelor wey dey cook? Yeah. Na today o? Yeah. We go chop o. Soup wey suppose last 1 week, last 3 minutes. The next day, the guy dey cook vegetable. As usual, neighbor dey come. Neighbor, yeah, you go even dance for this compound. You just dey cook, dey go. Na vegetable? Yeah. We go chop o. Soup finish. The next day, the guy dey warm yam. He just dey warm am. As usual come out, neighbor, inside dey warm yam. We go chop. I think we go chop for straight the guy. Last Saturday, the guy take 5,000 naira enter market. He use 1,000 buy all the soup ingredients. Use the remaining 4,000 buy igbo. Come use igbo cook the soup. As in dey cook, as usual, neighbor dey come. Neighbor, yeah. Na soup, yeah. We go chop. I'll give you. Now ingredient dey chop. 20 minutes later, the whole compound quiet. Then 5 neighbors, they don't see anyone, they don't see anybody for compound. When we go backyard, now we see the whole compound, everybody line up naked, they do left, right, 1, 2. They find landlord and landlady, then they back, they say they're naked, they do 10, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4. This way,
Prepared to laugh until your ribs ache.